YouTube. How did I start? Okay. I looked this up not long ago. It was back in 2007. That's how long ago it was. 2007. And I was in the Halloween business at the time. And some kid bought, I think it was a gorilla costume from me. And, you know, he emailed me and said, hey, I got the gorilla costume, cool stuff. I'm using this for my YouTube channel. I'm a superstar on YouTube. I'm huge. I've got like 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You could never get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm going, what the hell is this kid talking about? I don't even know what YouTube is. I don't even care. I got a life to live, you know, what YouTube, schmootube. But I looked into it and, you know, I started getting involved. I started getting sucked in. Now you have to remember, back in those days, YouTube was so different. It was just a bunch of vloggers, a bunch of people vlogging back and forth at each other. It's not like it is now where, you know, you got professional YouTubers. You know, this was just a bunch of idiots screaming back and forth at each other and doing stupid things. It was so crazy and so fun. And yeah, I got sucked into it. So yeah, that's how I got into it, you know. It's that simple. How did I grow my YouTube channel? I didn't, you know, like I say, I got into YouTube just as a thing. You know, I didn't have any ambition of being a professional YouTuber. I just saw it as a funny thing. And like I say, back in those days, we were just, you know, it was a community of people. I got to know a bunch of people. Growing my channel was organic. I never did anything that people do now. I never bought subscribers. I never, you know, used black hat tricks or anything like that. I just made my videos, and I always thought, you know what? If people want to watch them, they watch them. If they don't, they don't. Who cares? But it was my YouTube channel kind of evolved over time because, like I say, at first we were just a bunch of idiots screaming and yelling at each other, you know. And back in those days, YouTube had a feature where if you posted a video about something, anybody could post a reply video to yours and attach it right into your thread. So that was cool. That was how cool the vlogging action was back then. And growing my channel, you know, my advice, just be yourself. Just be yourself. If people watch, they watch. If they don't, who cares? Who cares? It amazes me that, you know, when you ask kids today, I think somebody did a poll and they said, you know, what is the #1 career? What is the career that you want when you grow up? And the #1 answer was being a professional YouTuber. To me, that was amazing. That was like, wow, just crazy. I would have never in a million years thought in those terms. But again, I'm kind of older. I'm a lot older than you know, the YouTuber demographic. So, you know, I have a different mindset, I guess. How did I get my YouTube name? That's kind of a funny one. I was getting ready to open my YouTube account. A friend came to the door and, you know, he starts telling me a story, an anecdote, one of his stories. And he's telling me about what his friend was doing. His friend was named Kinghuman. And he's going through this story and he's going, oh yeah, Kinghuman, you know, he tried to get the Frisbee off the roof and Kinghuman did this and Kinghuman did that. And I go, wait. Back up. You're telling me your friend is named Kinghuman? And he goes, yeah, what of it? I go, wait, this guy, his first name is King and his last name is Human. And that's his real name? And my buddy's going, yeah, what? And I was just cracking up at the fact that he didn't see that as unusual. So when I went back to finish setting up my YouTube account, it came time to name my channel. I just typed in Kinghuman. It wasn't any contrived thing. I wasn't trying to be the king of all humans. I wasn't doing anything except just goofing, you know. Oh, the sunglasses. Why the sunglasses? Okay, now again, you got to think back to 2007. And when I first started doing videos, video cameras were not nearly as good as they are now. To make a video camera work back then, first of all, most of them ran on tape. They weren't digital like they are now. They ran on tape, so it was so annoying. And the other thing was they took a lot of light to get a halfway decent image. So I couldn't get good videos, and I figured out, well, this crap camera needs a huge amount of light. And most of the videos I was doing was in my office and, you know, whatever. Because it was just spur of the moment, turn on the camera, you know, yell at some idiots, tease the animals, and then upload the video, right? You know, it's not like I'm going outside to do anything special. So I ended up ordering these huge, huge studio lights. I mean, these things were huge. And I shot my first video. I turned on the lights, I turned on the camera, and I did a video. And the video was about, I don't know, 8 minutes long, who knows. Turned off the lights and I couldn't see for like 3 minutes. Burned my retinas. The light was so bright. So I had to start wearing glasses in my YouTube videos just to be able to shoot them. And then it just kind of became trademark. And plus, you know, I'd wear a welder's mask if I could, because anything that hides my fugly face, you know, I hate looking at myself on camera, I really do. Why do I keep YouTubing? Well, that's a good question. You know, I have come close to quitting YouTube many times. Many times. Because when you come on YouTube, I don't care. You get so much hate and so many trolls and so many people that target you in a negative way. And, you know, frankly, I'm at an age where, you know, I'm not into drama. I cannot stand drama. You know, kids and trolls and all that, all these idiot, shit for brains idiots, they love drama. It makes them feel important. You know, some kid in his mom's basement can feel important because he can, you know, he can engage somebody in a negative way. It gives him some form of power, I guess. I'm not into the drama, you know. I can't take it. I don't want it. But it happens when you're on YouTube. So yeah, I thought about quitting several times. Every time I think about quitting, though, something happens. It's the weirdest thing. I'll get an email from somebody or a comment from somebody saying how much I helped them. You know, I remember the one that was really pivotal for me was, I don't know how many years ago it was, when some woman emailed me and said, look, I'm in an abusive relationship. I can't get away, me and my kids. We don't know what to do. We don't have money to leave. You know, we just wanted to let you know that you helped us. You got us making money online, and we escaped. We got away from that abusive relationship, and we just want to thank you. That's the kind of stuff that's kept me going and keeps me from quitting. And I had another one just the other day where, you know, I was feeling, you know, down on YouTube again. And I ended my video that I had uploaded a few days before. I ended up by saying, okay, you're sick of seeing me, go away, goodbye, something like that. And some girl commented, Kinghuman, we're not sick of you, we need you. And I thought, wow, that was the sweetest thing. That was just, to me, that just struck me. It was so cool, you know, and sincere. At least I hope it's sincere. I hope they're not goofing on me. But I just thought that was the coolest thing, you know, when you can help somebody or you know, not just take up space on the planet, just be productive and be helpful to somebody else. To me, that's what it's about. Oh, how did my channel evolve? Okay, well, like I said, back in the old days, I used to do stupid videos. You know, like I said, I was in the Halloween business, so I'd put on a wig or put in stupid teeth. I'd do stupid stuff. You know, I was an idiot, being an idiot with all the other idiots. And then somebody behind me mentioned, you know, hey, what's going on with the computer monitors behind you? I have like 3 computer monitors behind me, and I'm always working on different stuff. So I was working on some online income project, and I answered their video with a video, and I showed them, look, this is what I'm doing. This is one of the things I do. Yeah, I have my, you know, I have my Halloween business, but, you know, that's seasonal, so I have to do other things to create income year round. And these are a couple of things. Coughing fit. My voice gives out. These are a couple of the things that I do to make money. And once I showed people what I was doing, I could never go back to doing the stupid videos, because every time I tried doing a stupid video after that, they'd scream and yell, Kinghuman, stop making that video. Go back and show us more about how you're making money online. So that's kind of how my channel evolved into what it became, which was a lot of online income information, that kind of stuff. And I did that for a long time. I still do it. And then I noticed a bunch of other guys jumped on board and just, you know, whatever, what can I tell you? But I consider myself to be the OG, the original guy that did it. And I'm happy to have helped some people. And I will continue to do it. What do I think of YouTube in general? Yeah, YouTube, I am amazed, and I am nothing but hugely grateful for YouTube as a platform. I mean, I've been in some really dark places, and having YouTube has helped me personally get out of those dark places. Having a platform where you can express your opinions, your ideas, you know, giving the ordinary person a voice is so huge. And I don't think people appreciate it enough. I think people take it for granted. I even see people saying things like, YouTube owes me. You know, no, you got it so backwards. You know, you need to be grateful for the fact that this venue, this platform, is giving you a place to speak your voice. I mean, where else? YouTube has made millionaires. YouTube has given people a reason to be. It's given them a voice. It's so huge. So grateful, I'm beyond grateful, man. I'm beyond grateful to not just YouTube, but I'm beyond grateful to everybody that watched one of my videos and continues to watch my videos. And I don't care if they're trolls. I don't care if they're idiots. I don't care if they're fans. I don't care what they are. You know, for somebody to watch a video, for somebody to invest their time, that's pretty huge. And people don't do it. People, I doubt anybody's watched this video this long. I don't know how long you're going to cut this video to, but for somebody, people, they have attention spans like that. Now, I'm not into, you know, doing a lot of the production value tricks that kids do today to keep people's attention. I want my videos to be kind of organic, where people watch it because they want to hear what's being said, or they want to see, you know, they want to learn. I don't want to use video tricks and jump cuts and all that crap that everybody has to do to capture somebody's attention now. It's sad to me that people have attention spans of like 2 minutes. They'll watch a video for like 1.5 minutes and then they'll move on. Whatever, you know, I don't care. It is what it is. I'm going to do what I do. And, you know, that's it. So, dude, look, if that's all you have, cool, we're good. I don't think anybody's interested in this. It just doesn't, you know, I don't think it's going to interest anybody, but okay, cool. We'll go with it. Maximum respect, dude.